Hello. In this question number 2 of the assignment 1, we have to find the inverse Laplace transform of the given function f of s, where f of s is equal to 18 upon k s plus s into s square plus 6s plus 18. Now, first of all, the pictures that came in the mind that how to approach this question to solve this question. Now, first approach is that is very popular, and by using the partial fraction of the above function. We do partial fraction in such a way so that it convert into our standard function. Means if we take the inverse Laplace transform of the partial fraction, then it comes in the standard function, just like as if the partial fraction is something function, then it is a standard Laplace transform of a standard function. So we have to do the partial fraction in a proper way. So now we first of all we separate the s term. So f of s is equal to 1 upon s plus k bs plus c s square plus 6s plus 18. Here is one typo that f of s is equal to means I missed the equal to sign, so please care about that. So f of s is equal to 1 upon s plus k bs plus c upon s square plus 6s plus 18. Now we have to find the value of the b and c by using the partial fraction method. So if we do the analysis, and after doing analysis, the value of b and c comes b is equal to -1 and c is equal to -6. So after putting that value, the partial fraction becomes 1 upon s minus k s plus 3. The value of c is 6, so I separate the value of c is plus 3 and -3 and -3. I separate in such a way, in that way, so it is looking like the inverse Laplace transform of the similar to the sine and cos function. So that's why I separate in terms of 3. So and we did this in the partial fraction and in 3 terms, and all 3 terms are standard inverse Laplace transform or Laplace transform of the standard function. So 1 upon s is 1 and s plus 3. S plus 3 by using the properties, we know that in time domain e to the power minus at xt the x of s plus c. So similar to the frequency domain, we use that property. So by taking the inverse Laplace transform of this function, we get f of t is equal to 1 minus e3 e to the power minus 3t cos 3t plus sin 3t u of t. So this is the proper solution of this question. Thank you.